5 hair and makeup tips for your next audition. When it comes to styling your hair and choosing the right makeup palette for your next audition, it's important to remember that casting directors want to see you. You were invited to audition for a role because your headshot matched what the CD was looking for. That being said, if you choose the right amount of makeup and a hairstyle that landed you an audition, you're doing something right. Here are some tips for nailing it and booking the part. Here is the first makeup tip for your next audition. Wear colors that match your headshot. You don't want to go with an all too different look and surprise the CD in a negative way. When you go to the audition, don't appear to be the same person in the picture. If your headshot brought you to the audition room, stick with that palette. Here is the second makeup tip for your next audition. In general, you'll want to wear makeup that is more natural and lets your features stand out. You can upplay those features you feel are your best and downplay the rest. Wear makeup that blends well, including any foundation, correctors, and concealers you use. You can upplay your eyes, cheekbones, or mouth with colors that let these areas stand out, should you choose. Here is the first hair tip for your next audition. Again, you're going to want to go with something that's similar to what's in your headshot. You don't want to drastically change your hair color or length prior to the audition. It's best to stick with what you look like when you booked your photo shoot and choose the final copy to pass along. If you walk into the room looking like somebody completely different, it is not only going to be difficult for the CD to get past this and focus on what you're saying, but it'll probably mean you don't match what the team needs to begin with, so you may not book the role. Here is the second hair tip for your next audition. You'll want to wear your hair the way it is naturally, just like the makeup colors you choose. A CD is going to want to see you for who you truly are and is going to assess whether you fit the role based on this. So, if you have curls, leave your hair curly. If you have naturally light brown hair, don't bleach it or put rainbow colors in that are not part of how you would normally present. Here is the third hair tip for your next audition. Just keep your look consistent with who you are, and after you've booked, the CD will let you know if you should change anything. Don't change your look halfway through a project without asking. You will likely have your hair and makeup styled for you when you're on set. The last thing you'll want to do is change it up without asking and compromise the whole crew by not being able to continue shooting. These are just a few of the more vital hair and makeup tips you should always follow between the headshot phase and the completion of a project. If you would like to change up your look after a project wraps, always get new photos taken. This way everyone knows what to expect and you'll come across as professional and ready to work. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.